meet for the Olympics! Yeah! Fem darling! I said, are you ready? Yeah! Jag vaknar och var ready!
We're not allowed to cook anything before we get into the kitchen. So basically you're opening up a restaurant from scratch at a new destination. That's kind of the whole competition.
Different competitions. The first one is chef table. 7 courses, 7 servings for 12 guests. And then hot kitchen, it's 110 guests. Then they have to serve a 3-course menu. When the kitchen's open, we have 3 hours to serve these 330 plates.
So the rules for the Culinary Olympics as goes, you get 6 chefs in the kitchen and 1 pastry chef. 4 helpers, so 10 in the team in total, and a kitchen manager who isn't allowed to set foot in the kitchen at all. They're only allowed to stand outside the kitchen. The helpers are only allowed to carry goods, they're not allowed to place them in the fridge or freezer. They can polish plates, and only 1 helper is allowed to do dishes at a time. When service starts, 1 chef steps out of the kitchen and announces service has begun, and is not allowed back in the kitchen and cannot place any garnishes or sauces on plates.
vegetables and stuff like that. So it takes around 2 days to get ready to cook for 6 hours, which is quite crazy if you think about it, but yeah, that's what we're doing. We have
so many hours and hard work and passion and everything that goes into this. And we have one goal and you have to put all the energy and effort into it to fight for the goal. So.
can always cook good food, but it's hard to make a dish that you will remember like 2 years after.